Question number 1. Principal value of cosec theta is equal to 2 by root 3 is minus 5 by 4, 2 5 by 4, 3 5 by 3, 4 minus 5 by 3. Here principal value asking, otherwise principal solution also. What is the alpha value? Principal solution is taken by alpha. So here cosec theta is given. Cosec theta is equal to 2 by root 3. So in the reciprocal it is 1 by sin theta is equal to 2 by root 3, implies sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So sin theta is equal to sin of this root 3 by 2 only 60 degrees, that is 5 by 3. So this value alpha is equal to 5 by 3. So here theta is equal to 5 by 3. This is the principal value. 5 by 3 only is the third answer. Set of 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 is options n 5 by 2 plus minus 1 power of n plus n 5 by 6 n belongs to z. 2 n 5 by 2 plus minus 1 power of n 5 by 12 n belongs to z. 3 n 5 by 3 plus minus 1 power of n 5 by 12 n belongs to z. 4 n 5 by 2 plus minus 1 power of n plus 1 5 by 8 n belongs to z. Solution set asking here. Solution 4 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 given. So this 4 is written as 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. This is sin 2 theta is equal to 1. Sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. So sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2 sin 30 degrees, that is 5 by 6. So here alpha is equal to 5 by 6. General solution for sin theta is equal to, here 2 theta, theta means 2 theta, here 2n5 plus n5 plus minus 1 power of n alpha. So here alpha is equal to 5 by 6. So theta is equal to divided to n5 by 2 plus minus 1 power of n 5 by 6 into 2 12. So this is the first option. Third question, the solution set of cos theta is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 is given. These are the options. Solution cos theta is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. This value, this 3 theta is equal to 36 degrees, it is possible. 36 in degrees in radians 5 by 5 radians. So this is the alpha, alpha is equal to 5 by 5. General solution for cos 2n plus or minus alpha. 2n plus or minus alpha. Alpha is here 5 by 5. So this 3 here, divide with both sides with 3 after LCM. So 3 into 5, 15 coming. Here 5 common, 10n plus or minus 1 by 15. First option is right answer. General solution for of 2 sin square theta plus 11 cos theta minus 7 is equal to 0 is option 1 2n5 plus or minus 5 by 3, 2 n5 plus or minus 5 by 3 and 3 2n5 plus or minus 5 by 4. Fourth option n5 plus or minus 5 by 4. solution. That given equation is the 2 sin square theta plus 11 cos theta minus 7 is equal to 0. Here sin, here cos. So sin square is possible to change into cos square. So this is 2 into 1 minus cos square theta plus 11 cos theta minus 7 is equal to 0. 2 into 1 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus 11 cos theta minus 7 is equal to 0. Again in the order minus 2 cos square theta plus 11 cos theta minus 7 plus 2 means minus 5 coming, minus multiplication both sides, 2 cos square theta minus 11 cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. 2 into 5 11. So here factors 2 cos square theta, 2 into 5 11. 11, 2 into 5 11, minus 10 cos theta minus cos theta plus 5 is equal to 0. Here 2 cos theta common, cos theta minus 5 minus 1 common, cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0. This is 2 cos theta minus 1 multiplication of cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0. So cos theta minus 5 is not suitable for theta values. So this is the correct factor. 2 cos theta is equal to 1 coming from this. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. It is possible only 60 degrees. Cos theta is equal to cos 5 by 3. So here alpha is equal to 5 by 3. So for this general solution for cos theta is equal to 2n5. Theta is equal to 2n5 plus or minus alpha. Here theta is theta, 2n5 as it is, plus or minus alpha is equal to 5 by 3. This is the solution. So here answer, first option is the right answer. If tan 5 cos x is equal to cot 5 sin x, then cos of x minus 5 by 4 is equal to number 1 option 1 by 2, 2 1 by root 2, 3 1 by 2 root 2, 4 2. Here question is the tan 5 cos x, cot 5 sin x. From that find the cos x minus 5 by 4, not x value. We find the cos x minus 5 by 4 value. Solution: tan 5 cos x is equal to cot 5 sin x is given. So here tan as it is right, 5 cos x is equal to, this is in terms of tan 5 by 2 minus 5 sin x. So tan 90 minus the cot theta. This is theta suppose, then tan 90 minus theta cot theta is coming. So both sides tan cancellation. Here remaining 5 cos x is equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 sin x. All 5 here. So on cancellation of 5, after that sin x plus cos x is equal to 1 by 2 coming. Here quotient 1, here quotient 1. Division by root 2. Root of 1 square plus 1 square, root 2. Divide by root 2 on both sides. So this is 1 by root 2 sin x. This is 1 by root 2 cos x is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Here 2 division is root 2. So this is sin x sin 45. This is sin 5 by 4, 1 by root 2 sin x plus this is cos 5 by 4, 1 by root 2 cos x is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. This is the what is the principle, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b. Taking as a is the x, b is the 5 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. This is the answer. Third option. X value 0 to 5, 0 to 180. That means under one equation given 81 power of sin square x plus 81 81 power of cos square x is equal to 30 given. 81 power sin square x, 81 power cos square x is equal to 30 given. From this 81 sin square x as is, here 81, this cos square x converted to sin square x, 1 minus sin square x is equal to 30. Suppose 81 power of sin square x is y, otherwise t, any. Suppose this is y. This is 81 by y coming. 81 power of 1. 81 power of minus sin square is 1 by y coming. That is 30. 81 power sin square x is equal to here y. See. So on LCM y square plus minus 30y plus 81 is equal to 0 coming on simplification. So here factors y square minus 27y minus 3y plus 81 is equal to 0. Minus 27 minus 3 minus 30 minus 27 minus 3 plus 81. Here y common, y minus 27 minus 3 common, y minus 27 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 into y minus 27 is equal to 0. So from this y is equal to 3 and 27. So substitute the y value. From here 81 power sin square x, that is equal to y value 3, and 81 power sin square x is equal to 27. So here this is 3 power 1, this 27 written as 3 power of 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 9, 3, 27. So from this sin square x is equal to y, then 81 power sin square x is equal to 3 power 1, here 3 power 3. Again 81 converted to 3 power 4, 3 power 4, 81. So 4 sin square x. Here 4 sin square x is equal to 1. Here 3 power of 4 sin square x is equal to this 3. 4 sin square x is equal to 3. From these two equations, sin square x is equal to 1 by 4. This sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. Here sin x is equal to under root of plus or minus 1 by root 2. Consider 1 by root 2. Here plus or minus root 3 by 2. Consider root 3 by 2. So x is equal to this is 5 by 4. X is equal to this is 5 by 3 coming. So from the options here 5 by 6, so 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5, 3, 5 by 4 given. But here suitable answer only 5 by 4 suitable answer. Here 25 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta minus 12 0 is equal to given. So here cos theta is equal to, according to principle, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here 25a, b is the 5, c is the minus 12. Cos theta is equal to minus b is the minus 5 plus or minus b square. Directly 25 minus 4ac, 4 into a 25, c minus 12. Cos theta is equal to by 2a also, 2 into 25. So cos theta is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 25 plus 4 into 25, 100. 100 into 12, 1200 by 2 into 25. So cos theta is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 12, 25 by 50 by 50. So cos theta is equal to minus 5 plus 35 by 50. Cos theta is equal to minus 5 minus 35 by 50. So here cos theta 30 by 50, 3 by 5. Here cos theta is equal to minus 40 by 50. This cancel, cos theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. So after this minus 4 by 5, here this is the acute angle, positive, here negative. So but angle is in 5 by 2 to 5. That is the second quadrant. Because of second quadrant, cos theta negative consider. is negative. That means alpha is lies between pi by 2 to 5. So alpha in second quadrant. That's why consider cos theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 cos theta value. He is asking sin 2 alpha. So this is theta is here alpha. Root because. So sin 2 alpha formula sin 2 alpha is equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So from this use the triangle alpha is equal to 4 by 5, this is 3. So from this sin alpha 4 by, this is 4, this is 5, this is 3. Sin alpha 3 by 5 coming, minus 4 by 5 is the cos alpha, sin alpha is to 3 by 5 because second quadrant positive. So 2 into sin alpha is 3 by 5, cos alpha is minus 4 by 5. So 6 to 4 minus 24 by 25. This is the answer. Minus 24 by 25. Second option. Cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 is equal to. So this cos inverse converted to tan inverse. This is the adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. So here opposite is 3 coming. So in terms of tan inverse of 3 by 5 here. Otherwise by the triangle, suppose this is alpha 4 by 5, this is 3, tan 3 by 4 coming, this one tan inverse of 3 by 5. So tan inverse A, tan inverse B, tan inverse of A plus B formula, tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 5. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So here A is the 3 by 4, B is the 3 by 5. So from this tan inverse of LCM here 20. 5 into 3 15 plus 4 into 3 12. By here 20 LCM 20 minus 9. 20 gets cancelled. From this tan inverse of 27 by 20 minus 9 11. Tan inverse 27 by 11 is the right answer.